Hey team, Ryan Moody here. We're going to do an install of Lantern Watch on the Beryl 7. This will be Lantern Watch Lite. Okay, so let's jump right into it. Once you plug it in, it's going to ask you to put in a username and password. I'm just going to put in a temporary password here for this demo. We're going to hit next, and we're going to hit next again. This will take just a few minutes to do the install, so I'm going from my internet service provider to the router here. Okie dokie. And once we're here, we're going to want to go to Applications and then Plugins. We're going to open up a new browser tab, and we're going to go to the Lantern Watch site. On the Lantern Watch site, you can see there's an install option. Go ahead and click that. We're going to copy that word, Lantern Watch, or you can just remember it. We'll go back to this next tab. We're going to click Manage Sources, and you can just Control V there. And then we're going to copy this lanternwatch.org repo, and you're going to hit Control V there. Click the plus symbol, and then click Apply. This will just take a few seconds to be applied. We're going to click the refresh button. Once that's fully refreshed, we're going to click on the L to get to Lantern Watch. Okay, click on the L and we can see Lantern Watch right there. We'll come across and we're going to click the install. This is going to take about 1 to 2 minutes to do the install on your router, and in this case the Beryl 7. Okay, installation is complete. You'll get this little message saying it's complete. We can scroll all the way down here, and we're going to just want to grab the URL right here. So it says finish your setup, go here, more or less. So I'm going to hit Control C, open a new tab, Control V, and that's going to take us to the Welcome to Lantern Watch. You can put the same password you previously used here. And we'll hit Secure My Dashboard. That's going to set your password for the Lantern Watch application. We're going to hit Protect My Family. Okay, so from right here, we can now set up our notifications through NTFY, Telegram, or email. I'm going to skip those for now. It says, yes, share anonymous state data. This is just to let me know if people are using the applications. You can uncheck this if you like, and click Save and go to Dashboard. All right, that's it. You are connected to Lantern Watch. Thanks so much for watching.